I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Sinigang na Baka. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 1 kilogram of beef, preferably brisket or ribs, along with 2 medium tomatoes and 1 large onion. For the vegetables, prepare taro, okra, long beans, and water spinach. Don't forget your tamarind soup mix, a dash of fish sauce for seasoning, and a few tablespoons of cooking oil to start. The key to a great Sinigang na Baka is tender beef. Begin by placing your beef in a large pot with enough water to cover it. Bring this to a boil, then carefully skim off any foam or impurities that rise to the surface. Reduce the heat and let it simmer gently for 1 to 2 hours, or until the meat is wonderfully fork tender. If you're short on time, a pressure cooker can achieve this in about 25 to 30 minutes. Now, let's build that signature sour broth. In a separate pot, heat a few tablespoons of cooking oil and sauté minced garlic, sliced onions, and half of your wedged tomatoes until the onions soften. Add the tenderized beef to these aromatics, then pour in about 1 quart of rice water. Stir in your tamarind soup mix and add root vegetables like peeled taro and sliced daikon radish, letting them cook until tender. For the final touches, add the remaining vegetables, sliced eggplant, long green peppers, okra, and string beans. Let these simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes, ensuring they are tender yet still retain their vibrant color. Season your delicious soup with fish sauce to taste, adjusting for your preferred saltiness. Finally, stir in water spinach or other leafy greens, allowing them to wilt for just 1 minute before serving hot with steamed rice. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.